guys, it's Brian. So in this video I wanted to show you something really cool. I'm at Grand Haven State Park in Michigan right now, and found out that they have these track chairs that you can use on the beach. So all it is it's pretty much just like a power chair, but you can go forward and backward, and you can pretty much go on any terrain you want. You can tilt it forward, you can tilt it back. You can sit on your actual wheelchair cushion, which is what I'm doing right now, which has been great because you can rent this thing for 2 hours at a time, but I didn't want to sit on just the normal cushion that they have. The nice thing is your feet are fully strapped in right here, so you don't have to worry about them taking off on you. You can put stuff on the back, luggage and all kinds of stuff. Right now my wife has the backpack that we have, and my daughter's having a meltdown, so I actually have to go take this back right now. But I just wanted to show you how it works. I'm just going to do a quick spin. So the nice thing is you can take this all the way down to the shoreline. You can't actually take it in the water, but you can also tilt it backward and forward if you're going down a steep slope. So it's pretty awesome. I kind of like it. So it's not very fast, that's the only thing about it. It goes about walking speed, but it'll get you down to the beach, and that's what really matters. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.